Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm William, your fishing buddy who keeps things real, simple, and all about helping you catch more fish with the right gear. If you've ever stood on a pier or jetty wondering, is my rod even right for this? Then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the best rods for pier and jetty fishing, so you can fish smarter, not harder. Now, pier and jetty fishing is unique. You're casting from height, dealing with waves, wind, and sometimes heavy fish like drum, shook, or even small sharks. So, you need a rod that can handle it all, strong, sensitive, and long enough to reach where the fish are. Number 1 is a game changer, so doesn't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best fishing rods, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. New Lure Travel Spinning Rod. Let's be honest, lugging around a full-length rod when you're hiking, road tripping, or traveling isn't exactly fun. That's why travel rods are becoming more and more popular, but not all travel rods are created equal. Some are too flimsy, others are just awkward to carry. This one, it's compact, lightweight, and made for real fishing, not just a backup. Alright, here's the scoop on this new lure travel spinning rod from Aliexpress. Breaks down easily to fit in a backpack or suitcase. Lightweight but still strong enough to handle solid fish. Great for freshwater lure fishing and even light saltwater action. Works with most spinning reels, and ideal for soft plastics, hard baits, or even light jigs, so you don't have to worry about damaging it on the go. Picture this. You're on a weekend getaway near a lake, or visiting family somewhere coastal. You didn't bring your main rod, but you pull this out of your backpack, pair it with a 2000 size reel, and boom, you're casting in seconds. That's the kind of freedom this rod gives you. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, perch, or even inshore saltwater species, it's a rod that handles it all without weighing you down. I've tested a bunch of travel rods over the years, and many of them feel like toys. This one, it actually feels like a real rod. The action is smooth, the guides are solid, and it's got that perfect balance between portability and power. Number 4. Kingdom Worm Blade Fishing Rod. You know those rods that feel like an extension of your arm. This is one of them. Whether you're into bass fishing, light predator hunting, or technical finesse work, this rod delivers. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Kingdom Worm Blade stand out. Ideal for worms, creature baits, and finesse rigs. If you love working the bottom or drop shotting, this rod gives you amazing feel. You'll notice right away how light and balanced it feels in your hand. Long sessions, no problem. You get that ultra-sensitive feedback, but still enough backbone to set the hook hard and control the fight. Smooth casting, zero line friction, and durable enough to handle braided line too. The ergonomic EVA grip gives great comfort and control, even when your hands are wet. Imagine you're working a finesse worm along a rocky bottom. You feel the slightest tick, that subtle take, and boom, you drive the hook in clean. That's the kind of sensitivity this rod gives you. It's tuned for anglers who know the value of precision. I've tested a lot of rods in this category, and I've got to say, the Kingdom Worm Blade holds its own against way more expensive setups. Number 3. Fishing Rods 2 pieces fishing pole rod. Whether you're fishing from shore, a kayak, or off a jetty, having a rod that's easy to transport and delivers solid performance is a game changer. And this one, it strikes that balance perfectly. Here's what I like about this 2-piece fishing pole. Super convenient for travel and storage. Toss it in the trunk or pack it for a fishing trip, it breaks down quickly and reassembles solidly. Great for casting a wide range of lures, from crankbaits to soft plastics. Whether you're after bass, pike, or even saltwater species, this rod can handle it. It's built tough. You get sensitivity for detecting subtle bites, but also enough backbone to haul in heavier fish. Smooth casting, steady retrieval, and compatible with most spinning reels. No rattling or wobble here. It feels secure in the hand. Long sessions are no issue. It's ergonomic, slip-resistant, and gives you control even when your hands are wet. Imagine you're walking to your favorite fishing hole, and instead of lugging a giant 1-piece rod, you've got this compact 2-piece that fits neatly in a bag. You get to the water, assemble it in seconds, and you're casting smooth and far. Just like that. That's the kind of freedom and function this rod offers. I've used quite a few 2-piece rods in my time, and this one honestly surprised me. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap, quite the opposite. The finish is clean, the components feel quality, and for the price, it's a great pick for beginners and experienced anglers alike. Number 2. Surf Medium Heavy Fast Action Rod. Whether you're targeting stripers, blues, or even redfish in tough surf conditions, this rod has the backbone, speed, and reach to get the job done. Let's break it down. Here's why this rod might deserve a spot in your surf setup. This rod has serious pulling strength. Ideal for launching heavy lures, chunks, or live bait into the breakers and fighting powerful fish. The tip responds quickly, giving you sensitivity to feel bites and the speed you need for fast hook sets. Perfect for surf predators that hit hard and run fast. Long casting ability, corrosion-resistant components, and a solid reel seat mean you're ready for saltwater abuse. Designed to hold up during long hours of casting from the beach, with solid control even when wet. Strong yet balanced construction. It doesn't feel like a broomstick. It's got flex where you need it and stiffness where it counts. Picture this. You're on the beach early morning, tide rolling in, bait rigged and ready. One powerful cast sends your rig flying out past the breakers. Then boom, you hook into a big one. This rod's fast action lets you set that hook deep, and the backbone helps you win the fight. That's the kind of confidence this rod gives you. I've handled a lot of surf rods in this price range, and honestly, this one punches above its weight. It's solid, responsive, and feels reliable even when you're going toe-to-fin with tough fish. Number 1. Durable carbon fiber spinning casting fishing rods. Alright, let's talk features. This isn't your average rod. It's lightweight, incredibly strong, and built to handle pressure. Whether you're casting lures or battling big fish, this material holds up. You get to choose what suits your style. Whether you're a finesse angler or throwing big baits with a baitcaster, this rod is designed to deliver top performance either way. It's not just the blank that's tough. The guide rings are strong and corrosion-resistant, perfect for both freshwater and saltwater action. Even though it's powerful, it won't tire you out. That carbon fiber keeps the rod light in hand while still giving you serious pulling strength. It looks sharp too. Clean design, sleek finishes, and tight wraps. It definitely feels premium. Imagine you're out early morning, calm lake or windy coast, it doesn't matter. You tie on your go-to lure, give it a solid cast, and the rod launches it effortlessly. Then comes that hit, and the rod bends beautifully, handling the fight with confidence. That's what this rod delivers. I've handled a lot of rods in this price range, and to be honest, not many come close to the strength and sensitivity this one offers. That carbon fiber construction really makes a difference, especially when you're targeting aggressive fish or fishing structure. I've dropped links in the description so you can check out these rods for yourself. Whether you're after flounder, bluefish, shook, or something bigger, these rods will have your back. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what rod do you use for pier or jetty fishing? Thanks for watching.